Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm Serena. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make peda with only 2 ingredients. So let's get started. So for this recipe you require 1.5 cup of milk powder and 3/4 cup of milk. Using Tutti frutti is optional. In this video I have used it for garnishing. Heat it in a non-stick pan till the batter comes together. Stir it constantly till it turns thick. Switch off the gas when it becomes thick and comes together to form a ball and let it cool down completely. Once your batter cools down completely, mold it in the shape that you like. Now you can use either tutti frutti or any other dry fruit to garnish your peda. And here you're done with it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes and hit the like button.